to day 3 of spoken skills presentation. Today I have learned about present importance of negative side and about and not about to type of sentences. And the simple orders, if you use I, you have to use am. If you use plural, you, we, their time, you have to use are. If they, let me put the lines for you. Today we came to know about comments and comments on posting notes. If you have comment, we have to use verb first form. Use 70a plus verb form. Close the door. Comments. I can, you can, you may. You do not verbs. Basically comments in negative and positive side. That's it. And we are in, as per this one, we are in day 3 of the assessment. And as per the next course, I am in 61st day. This is second day of SQL. Learn about artists. No. Know about comparison operators, string operators, and logical operators in SQL. And today we have about later speeds. I have to listen. Thank you for watching learning. Please like, share, and subscribe channel so that everyone will know that I am creating some content and give your valuable comments. Thank you.